Let's read our second story in our Unit 1, Lesson 5, Decodable Reader. Looks like this. And let's just go straight into it today. We're going to the table of contents to find the second story for our Lesson 5. Second story is Yams. Yams. Page 105. Mrs. Gillum is going to read it to model fluency, and then you can read it in your small voices with me. So this says yams, yams, yum, yams, yum, and he's a yak. And this is obviously a fantasy because yaks don't sleep with quilts over them, with their rubber duckies, with pillows. Yeah, this is not informational text. This is not realistic fiction. This is just baloney. It's make-believe. It's fantasy. Yak is in bed, but he has to get up. Yak has to get yams. What can Yak do? Can Yak get big, fat yams? Yes, he can get lots and lots. And by the way, big and fat, those are size words. That means they're adjectives. They're describing the word yams. Those are yams. They're like potatoes. They grow underground, but they're different because you have to plant them in a different way. For potatoes, you just plant the potato. For yams, you have to sit them on your countertop next to a window for like 2 months, and then the roots start coming out of them with leaves, and you cut the leaves off, and that's how you get a new yam plant. Anyway, Yak can set his yams in a bag. See him putting the yams in there? Because remember, he has to fill up his cupboard. His red bag can hold lots. Yak can fit 10 yams in his bag. His bag is full. Yams, yum. This is so make-believe. This is such a fantasy. This would never happen. Yak has his yams. He has lots and lots. Yams, yum, yum, yum. All right, so we're going to read it together in the absence of books. Mrs. Gillum will track, and you can too. Let me see if I can modify this light. Is that any better? Maybe put it over here. Okay, the lighting situation is not doing well. Let's try this. Okay, we'll try that. It says, yams, yum. And I keep on forgetting to read who wrote the story. It was Rona Blanca. She's the author. And who drew the pictures? It says illustrated by Gina Frachet. And now you can track your fingers with me and see if you can read the words. Okay, I'll whisper them and you use your soft voices and we'll read these together. Yak is in bed, but he has to get up. Yak has to get yams. What can yak do? Can yak get big fat yams? Yes, he can get lots and lots. Yak can set his yams in a bag. His red bag can hold lots. Yak can fit 10 yams in his bag. His bag is full. Yams, yum. Yak has his yams. He has lots and lots. Yams, yum, yum, yum. Okay, boys and girls, I note something. I should go ahead and mention that there's several words in here where the ending S makes the Z sound. And I'm just going to just quickly write them down. Okay, these are the ones that say Z, okay? They make the Z sound, even though they're spelled with an S. Okay, and then there's other ones that just make the S sound. So yams, that was one of the words. Yams. That's right, that S spells the Z sound, like on the zebra card. S, the ending S, actually spells Z. So yak is in bed, so is has an S that makes the Z sound. So it goes on this side too. But he has to get up. Has to get up. That's right, that S is going to spell the Z sound. Okay, and I'm looking on this page. It has the word it has the word yams. We already had those. Yams. Oh, here's one. Yes. Yes has a S at the end, and it's spelled with an S. So S spells Z and S. Lots. Lots has a S sound. Okay, now I'm looking on this page. This is a beginning S. We're not worrying about those. His. Yak can set his yams. So let's write down the word his. The S makes the Z sound. Are you guys following? Yeah, that's important to know. Don't get confused. And then we already did yams and his and yams and has and his and yams and has and lots and yams. So I was looking at those ending S's, and we have them all here right now. So there you have it. Toodaloo, guys.